Howdy, my name is Justin Wilson. I'm with American Irrigation Repair, and I'm here today to show you how to adjust a Hunter PGP. The Hunter PGP has been the best-selling rotor for many years now. In my opinion, it's one of the best rotors, residential like commercial rotors on the market. There are some more expensive commercial grade rotors going up to stainless steel and other bodies, but for a residential and light commercial rotor, the Hunter PGP is hard to beat for its cost, the economics of it, the longevity of it. It's just a fine rotor. The adjustment procedure for a Hunter PGP is pretty straightforward. You adjust the right stop on the rotor. You're gonna spin the turret of the rotor all the way to the right side. To adjust the right stop, you actually are gonna spin the whole head. So for example, if I wanted the rotor to come further over, which I won't, but if I did on the sidewalk, we actually have to spin the whole rotor. And that's how you're gonna adjust your right stop. You're gonna grab the base below the turret and actually spin the whole head. The left stop on the arc adjustment is actually adjusted with the PGP key, and on the top of the turret there's a hole here where you're going to put the screwdriver style side of the adjustment key in, and you're going to see there's a minus and a plus. So in order to decrease the arc, you would spin it towards the minus, and to increase the arc, you would spin it towards the plus. So for example, if I wanted to increase the arc, I'm going to take this side of the key, I'm going to stick it all the way down in the hole until I can feel it grab, and I would turn it towards the plus, and I would have increased my arc. We can continue that by spinning it additionally towards the plus, and it will open the arc more, or we can spin it towards the minus and it will reduce the arc. When you do the arc adjustment, you want to make sure that the turret of the rotor is all the way to the right side. And what you have to do on this rotor to spin it back and forth is take it full right stop and full left stop. You don't want to turn it against the gears. You can feel, in other words, if I try to turn it left, it won't turn, but it will turn right. So you have to, when you're working with this rotor, you have to turn it full stop to full stop. It has to shift from, for lack of a better term, it has to shift from forward to reverse. So we go all the way back, and then we'll go all the way forward in this, when you're working with this rotor and such. So I'm going to come back to this right hand side and readjust it correctly. And I'm watching where my rotor stops. And then to adjust the left stop, I'll come back and rotate it slightly to the minus, and that's about where I want that adjusted. Now to adjust your radius, you've got a radius reduction screw here. It's underneath this dust cap. You're going to use the Allen side of the tool. You'll stick it through your dust cap at the very far tip until it kind of grabs, and then you can, to decrease the distance of the throw, you can spin it clockwise, or to increase it, you can spin it counterclockwise. And you can't see in this video right now, but by turning the radius reduction screw, I'm varying the distance that the rotor is throwing by as much as 15 foot. The easiest way to adjust a Hunter PGP is with the water on, so that the head is pressurized and you're not trying to fumble around and hold the head up. I would recommend adjusting them while the water is on, and you can see where the pattern's going. Thank you for watching today. If you need sprinkler repairs, sprinkler maintenance, or any type of sprinkler work, feel free to give us a holler, 512-943-6075, or visit our website at fixmyheads.com. You can find the website domain in the description section of this video. Give us a holler if we can do anything for you.